Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to go back in time to the 90s. I found some really good rap vocals on YouTube by a band called KRS One. And what I'm going to do is going to add my own music to those rap vocals, try and do a remix but also keep that 90s vibe. I've already sampled it into Maschine, so let's get straight on with it. I'll just give you a demo of those rap vocals.
You want to be called kings and sires, but you sing for hire. You free? Not yet.
I've not actually heard the original track what these guys made, which is a good thing, because obviously then it's not going to influence any music decisions, any sounds or anything what we're going to come up with for this remix. So we're going to start off with a clean slate. First off, I'm going to sample some drums into Maschine, just to give us a bit of a foundation for the track. Well, I found a bass sound I like. It's a bit of a classic sound if I'm honest. I've used Monarch synth, which again you get free with a Maschine Mark III. I think you more or less throw it at you every time you buy something from Native Instruments website. But yeah, it's like a classic sound. It's like a TB bass as I remember it back in the day. I didn't want anything too modern, and it didn't want to be too clean either. Now I've been playing around with this track for a while. I can actually see a bit of direction which this track's going to end up going. And in saying that, I've just come up with a second bass line, so I'll just show you that now. Well, I have added a third bass line to this track. I've used the same sound as before, but I've just messed around with cutoff and feedback volume to make it really distorted growling sound. I've made 3 instances of this riff though, you know, like a normal bass line, and then kept increasing cutoff and feedback volume. But I'll just show you at screen, it's just a bit easier than then trying to explain it. I don't know about you guys, but when I think of songs from 90s, I always think of Prodigy and how they used to use effects in their tracks. They used to use like spoken words and sped up vocals. So that's what I'm going to do. I've sampled a few effects in already into Maschine. So I'll just show you what I've actually found and what I'm thinking about putting into this track.
What's the matter? Somebody take your lollipop?
I do believe I've actually got everything I need to start mixing this track now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try and mix it properly and import it into Cubase. So it's going to take me a while, so I'll just crack on with that and then come back and let you know how I've gone on. Well, it's taken me about 9 days to mix that track. Not 9 days solid like, but you know, a couple of hours here and there. Yeah, I'm really pleased that mix came out. It's quite an aggressive mix if I'm honest, which you'll be able to hear for yourselves in a minute, because final mix will be playing after this little outro. But let me know in the comment section what you actually think of mix. But as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next video. Bye!
What's the matter? Somebody take your lollipop?
on the block next. This the top set. Some of others are not yet, but they act like they got the top rap. Claiming king. This the top set. Some of others are not yet, but they act like they got the top rap.
Somebody take your lollipop.
We got rockets, you got plugs, we got sockets. You got beats, we got topics. Come in, Sonata, claiming king. Open your eyes now, everybody talking about crime now. It's like we going back in time now. I'm ready to shine now, get mine now. But the more I climb now, I find now. Cats don't want you to rise now. They wanna hold you back by replacing the facts with the lies now. So watch the skills I apply now. I'm gonna be big, but I ain't ready to die now. Why mothers gotta cry now? Cause some dumbass kid now is believing in the lie now. What's the lie now? The lies you ain't gotta try, cause everybody out getting high now. Why now? Cause you might see Chinese bombers flying across American skies.